Byose mu Kinyarwanda Mukanya gatoya. Blythe Katherine Danner, professionally known as Blythe Danner, is an American actress. She was born on 3rd of February 1943. Today she is celebrating a birthday of 82 years. She has received many accolades, including 2 Primetime Emmy Awards for Best Supporting Actress in a Drama Series for her role as Izzy Huffstodt on Huff, released from 2004 to 2006, a Tony Award for Best Feature Actress for performance in Butterfly Are Free on Broadway, released from 1969 to 1972. She was also nominated for Prime Emmy Award for Outstanding Guest Actress in Comedy Series 2 times. She was also nominated for Golden Globe Award. Some of movies she acted in are Meet the Fockers, Little Fockers, Another Woman, Alice, Husband and Wives, 176, Hearts of West, The Great Santini, Mr. and Miss Bridge, The Prince of Tides, To Wong Fu, Thank You for Everything, Jury New Year, The Mate of Fingerprints, The X-File, Force of Nature, The Love Letter, The Last Kiss, Paul, Here I Must Be Going, I Will See You in My Dreams, What They Had, Back When We Were Grown Up, Will and Grace. Danner graduated from Bard College. Her first roles include musical Mata Hari, released in 1967, and the 1968 off-Broadway production of Summer Tea. Her early Broadway appearances include Cyrano de Bellegarde, released in 1968, and her Theatre World Award-winning performance in The Miser, released in 1969. She won Tony Award for Best Feature Actress in a Play for Portraying, Free Spirit Divorce in Butterfly Are Free, released in 1970. Danner is the sister of Harry Danner and the widow of Bruce Paltrow. She is the mother of actress Gwyneth Paltrow and director Jack Paltrow. She is the grandmother of media personality Apple Martin. Wishing happy birthday to Blythe Danner. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write in the comment. Thank you. For information are published by Wikipedia. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'imyaka 82 ya Blythe Katherine Danner, uzwi nka Blythe Danner. Akaba yaratsindiye ibihembo byinshi cyane kubera gukina amafilime harimo nka Tony Award, Prime Emmy Award, ndetse yajya no muhatanira ibihembo birimo Golden Globe Award, Prime Emmy Award ndetse n'ibindi byinshi. Akaba yarakinnye mu mafilime harimo nka Meet the Fockers, Wood Allen, Another Woman, Little Fockers, Heart of the West, The Great Santini, Mr. and Miss Bridge, The Prince of Tides, Two Fong, Thanks for Everything, The Mate of Fingerprint, The X-File, Force of Nature n'izindi nyinshi. Danner akaba ari umuvandimwe wa Harry Danner, akaba yari umugore wa Bruce Paltrow, akaba ari mama w'umukinnyi w'amafilime Gwyneth Paltrow ndetse n'umuyobozi w'amafilime Jack Paltrow, kandi akaba ari nyirakuru wa Apple Martins uzwi mu bitangazamakuru. Ukoze kubana nanjye, nakusaba like na subscribe, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wandikira muri comment, urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.